a comfortable seated position, your spine tall, and your hands resting gently in your lap. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs. And as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress you may be carrying. As you sit here in this moment, recognize the incredible journey you've embarked on. One of constant growth, learning, and inspiration. You understand that life's ultimate goal is progress. The pursuit of knowledge and the joy found in the expansion of your understanding. Visualize yourself surrounded by a serene, glowing light, a representation of your commitment to growth and learning. With every inhale, this light grows brighter, filling you with the endless possibilities of knowledge and experience. With every exhale, feel yourself releasing any self-doubt, limitations, or fears. Reflect on the wisdom you've gathered, the insights you've uncovered, and the resilience you've cultivated through both successes and hardships. Embrace the idea that every moment, whether joyful or challenging, is an opportunity to learn and evolve. Bring your focus to the present moment. Acknowledge the gratitude you hold for the journey you're on, the connections you've made, and the impact you've had on others. As you continue your path of growth, envision a tapestry of wisdom, each thread woven from the lessons and experiences you encounter. Embrace the understanding that amidst tragedy or success, your commitment to learning and evolving becomes the catalyst for genuine happiness and joy. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling the calm and assurance that comes with understanding the power of growth and knowledge. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of empowerment and mindfulness with you as you continue your day. Remember, in your dedication to growth lies the key to a life well lived, where happiness and joy are the natural outcomes of your continuous journey of learning and evolution.